Okay, guys. Good morning. All right, and how you doing? So, quick updates about this super indicator that I used to trade. So, I'm just going to give a brief review, much more about it. So, all right. We caught this trade again this morning. Okay, so price pool, and we have this guy right there as price that broke out of the MA, and a volume pop right there. So it was a volume pop right there. I need to, sorry about this. So let me use, so you can see it right there. So here's the guy that closed above. All right, that was a volume pop, and it was higher than the MA, and we got an entry, and price went about 50 pips to our direction. So let me share trade record. So let me just okay, so I'm just going to share this. All right, so okay, so these all right, so yeah, this was the trade before. All right, so called out trade before, we got an entry. So and after the trade we had 50 pips, and that was it. We had a close of trade. So okay, so let me also share another trade. All right, another trade. Okay. All right, so you can see our group right there. See, this was yeah, the go trade analysis before it happened on Sunday. So this was Euro USD. Can clearly see an opportunity to go long on Euro USD. So, and this was the after trade, 40 pips thereabouts on Euro USD. So when trade opened, got into the trade right there, and price went up. So I probably will share that on the MT4, so you can actually see that clearly. All right, so here is, so you can actually see clearly right there, price broke out of the MA. We got volume pop right there. All right, a retest, exhaustion candle ready for buy, and price went to the upside. So that was a very clear trade we took today in the group. So so the EA is still available. All right, if you want the EA, please, you can send a message, and we'll direct you on how to get the EA. All right, thank you very much, guys. Enjoy. Happy trading.